Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for housewares and supplies business. So I'm running a houseware business and I have added my business on IndiaMArt. Now through IndiaMArt, I'm going to receive a lot of leads and new inquiries. Now what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new inquiry or a new lead through IndiaMArt for my houseware business, then automatically I want to send a personalized WhatsApp message to that particular lead or that inquiry. So here for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use AI Sensei, and here for doing this automatically, I need to build a connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then automatically I'm going to send a message on WhatsApp by using AI Sensei. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for housewares and supplies business. So as the owner of a houseware business, I want to quickly send detailed product catalogs or specification via WhatsApp to leads from IndiaMART. So this will allow potential customers to receive information immediately, and it will be enhancing their shopping experience. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that what I need to do is I need to set up an automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by using Pabbly Connect. So here for sending the messages on WhatsApp, I need to use AI Sensei, and now here by connecting IndiaMART with AI Sensei, I can automatically send WhatsApp messages to all my leads or inquiries that I'm going to receive through IndiaMART for my housewares and supply business. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply build an automation between these two applications without any coding and programming skills, just with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for houseware and supply business. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab. And here in this tab, I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of IndiaMART. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on Create. And here this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I need to first set up my trigger step, and here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I need to search for IndiaMART. Now I'm going to select IndiaMART here. And now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new leads will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now I need to take you to my IndiaMART account. And here in IndiaMART, I need to go to Lead Manager. And in Lead Manager, I need to click on this hamburger icon. And here I need to go to Import/Export Leads, where I'm going to use Push API. So I'm going to select that. And here in Push API, what I need to do is I need to create a Push API integration so that I can connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. And as I'm going to receive a new lead or an inquiry in IndiaMART, then automatically the response of those leads and the inquiries will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here first I need to select my source. So I'm going to open this tab and here I want to connect Pabbly Connect. So here my source is not present. So I'm going to select other here. Now here I have to fill these details. So first I have to give my CRM platform name. And here I want to connect Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to give Pabbly Connect as my CRM platform name. And now I have to give the webhook listener URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to add the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on Save Details button. And now I need to first select the option why I want to create this integration or why I want to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So I need to open this tab and here I have all these reasons. So I can select any particular option or the reason. So I'm going to select this randomly and I'm going to click on this button of click to generate OTP. And here we can see I have successfully connected IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. Now that as I have connected IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, so every lead or the inquiry detail will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to generate a new lead or an inquiry in IndiaMART. And as I will generate a new lead or an inquiry, then automatically I will receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. But right now I don't have any listed product in my IndiaMART account. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead. So here I'm just going to generate the test lead so that I can show you how we can set up this automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei to send automated WhatsApp messages to all IndiaMART lead or inquiries. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead, and in the test lead I'm going to get a random product inquiry, and that is not a listed product on my IndiaMART account, that is just a test lead or a random product. So for generating the test lead, I need to take you back to IndiaMART. And here in IndiaMART, I have to click on this test your webhook listener URL button. And now here I have added the webhook listener URL. So what I can do is I can send the test lead or the inquiry details to Pabbly Connect. So here this is my test lead inquiry or the lead detail, and I just need to click on this test button. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully sent my test lead. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new lead or the inquiry, and here I have all these details. So here I have the detail like I have the status that is success, I have my unique query ID, I have the subject for requirement for empty mineral water bottle. So this empty mineral water bottle is my product, and this is a test product that I have received as an inquiry. I have the sender state that is Uttar Pradesh, I have the random pin code, I have the alternate phone number, I have the sender phone number, I have the name of my sender that is Prabhat, and here I have only received the first name of my sender. Also here I have the sender phone number, I have the alternate phone number, and I have received all the other details too. So here I have received details like I have received the email address, I have received the alternate email address, I have received the country code that is IN, which is for India, I have the company name that is ABC Private Limited, I have the sender city that is Noida, and the address that is Sector 135 Noida, Uttar Pradesh. And also with this response, I have received the detail of the message or the inquiry. So this is my inquiry details, and here I have the product name that is mineral water bottle. I have the inquiry message that is I want to purchase an empty mineral water bottle, kindly send me the price and other details. Quantity is going to be around 10 lakh pieces, probable order value is 10 to 20 lakh, and probable requirement type is business use. So here this is my inquiry message, and here this is my inquiry product. Now what I need to do is that as I have received all these details of the inquiry or the lead, I want to automatically use all these details, and I want to send a WhatsApp message to this particular lead, and I want to have an instant connection with my IndiaMART lead. So here for automatically sending WhatsApp message, what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here in my actions tab, I'm going to use AI Sensei. So I'm going to search for that, and here I need to select WhatsApp by AI Sensei. Now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send template message is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I need to connect WhatsApp by AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting WhatsApp by AI Sensei, I need to give an API key. So how I'm going to get this API key? For that, I need to log into my AI Sensei account. I need to navigate to manage section where I will find the option of API key, and in API key section I can generate the API key and I can fill that here. So for getting this API key, I need to take you to my AI Sensei account, and here I am on manage section where I have this option of API key. So I'm going to open this, and here this is my API key. So I'm going to first regenerate this key, and I'm going to click on confirm. Now here this is my API key, and I need to copy this and I need to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here to copy, and I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here in this tab of API key, I'm going to paste my API key that I've copied from AI Sensei. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I have filled all the required details. So I'm going to click on save, and here I have connected WhatsApp by AI Sensei with Pabbly Connect. Now here for sending the message, what I need to do is I need to first create a live campaign, and by using that live campaign I can send messages to all my IndiaMART inquiries or the IndiaMART lead. Now here for creating a campaign, I need to again take you back to AI Sensei, and here before creating a campaign I need a template message that I'm going to use for sending the messages to all my IndiaMART lead or inquiries. So first I have to create my template, so I'm going to take you to template message first, and here I will go to all, and in this you will see all the templates that you have in your AI Sensei account, or you can also create new template messages that you want to use. So for creating a new template, you need to first click on this new button, and you need to follow all the instructions, and you need to customize the message that you want to use for sending the messages to your IndiaMART lead or inquiry. After customizing the message, you need to take the approval of the template by AI Sensei, and after taking the approval, you will see your templates like this, and you will get the status of approved. So here in AI Sensei, I have created a template of IndiaMART, so I'm going to search for that, and here I have this particular template of IndiaMART message, so I'm going to show you this template. And here this is going to be my template that I'm going to use, and here I need to use this template and I need to add that in my live campaign. So here this is going to be my message that I'm going to use every time I'm going to receive a new lead or inquiry, and in this I have this particular variable of customer name. So every time I'm going to send this message, the customer name is going to get replaced according to the new lead or the inquiry. Now I'm going to close this template, and for creating a new campaign I need to go to campaigns. And here in campaign, I need to create a new campaign. So I'm going to click on this launch button, and I'm going to create an API campaign. So I'm going to click on next. And here first I have to give a campaign name. So here my campaign name is going to be IndiaMART inquiry messages. And now I have to select my template. So here I'm going to select the template that I have created in my IndiaMART account, and I'm going to search for my template here. That is going to be IndiaMART messages. So I'm going to select my template here. And now I'm going to make my campaign live. So I'm going to click on this set live button, and I'm going to go to my campaign, and here I have created this live campaign. Now that I have created my campaign and I have added my template message in my campaign, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now here in Pabbly Connect, I have to first give my campaign name. So here I'm going to add the campaign name that I have added in my AI Sensei account. So I'm going to give my live campaign name here. So here this is my campaign name, and now what I need to do is I need to give the mobile number. So here what I need to do is I need to give the mobile number of my lead, and I'm going to give that mobile number by using the response from my previous tab of IndiaMART response. So here simply by using all the details from my previous tab, I'm going to get those details, and I'm going to get my IndiaMART lead or inquiry details from my IndiaMART response, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So here for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open the response of IndiaMART, and here I need to first give the mobile number of my lead. So here this is my sender mobile number, so I'm going to map this, and now I have to give the user name. So similarly I'm going to map that too. So I need to click here. I will open the response of IndiaMART, and here this is my sender name, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I have all these other tabs of source, tags, and attributes, URL too, but these are not the required details, so I'm not going to fill these details. I just need to fill the detail of template parameter. So here in this particular template parameter tab, I need to fill the value of the variable that I have in my template, and in my template I only had one variable of customer name. So I'm going to map the name of my customer here. So I need to click here. I will again open this response of IndiaMART, and here this is my sender name, so I'm going to map this. And here if you have more than one variable in your template, then what you need to do is you just need to give a comma and you need to fill all the values of your variable. So here I have filled all the required details and now I have mapped all these details. So as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. And now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here will get replaced with the new lead or inquiry detail. And every time I'm going to receive a new IndiaMART inquiry or lead, then automatically I'm going to send a new message on WhatsApp to that particular lead or inquiry. Now here I have mapped all the required details, so I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have sent a message automatically to my lead or the IndiaMART inquiry, and I have sent this message by using AI Sensei. So here to check whether I have sent the message on WhatsApp or not, let me open WhatsApp. Now here on WhatsApp we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this. And here this is my message that says, "Hello Prabhat." So this was the name of my lead or the inquiry. "Thank you for the inquiry on IndiaMART. We appreciate your interest in our business. For more information, you can view our catalog here." And here I have added this website for example. Feel free to reply to this message if you have any questions or would like to place an order. We are here to assist you. Thank you. Best regards. So here we can see that this was my template message that I have created in AI Sensei and I have added in my campaign. And I have successfully sent this message to my IndiaMART inquiry or the lead on WhatsApp. So here I have done this automatically just by creating a connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei, and I have set up this automation. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead or the inquiry, then automatically I'm going to send this automated message on WhatsApp to that particular lead or inquiry. So for every new lead or the inquiry that I'm going to receive, I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead or inquiry. So here I have done this just by setting up this connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now I'm sending WhatsApp messages and I'm having a personal connection with my leads or inquiry by sending personalized messages on WhatsApp. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. Now here with Pabbly Connect, I have successfully connected IndiaMART with WhatsApp by AI Sensei to automatically send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads or inquiries for housewares and supplies business. So here I have successfully created this automation, and now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was IndiaMART and my trigger event was new leads. Then I have set up my action step and my action application was WhatsApp by AI Sensei and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.